Science and Technology, Part First, Chapter number 1, Gravitation. In the exercise, the numerical example asked is the ball falls off a table and reaches the ground in 1 second. Assuming acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 10 meter per second square, calculate its speed on reaching the ground and the height of the table. That means, suppose a table is there and from this table the object is falling down. That means the top of the table is at point A and the ground will be at point B. Object is moving from A to B. Then we are going to find out the total distance, that is S displacement is to be calculated, and time final velocity is calculated. Now time taken, that is t, is equal to 1 second. Acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Final velocity v is to be calculated. Height of the table s is to be calculated. According to the Newton's first equation of motion, which states v is equal to u plus at, where we are already aware of about the acceleration due to gravity a is equal to g. Now v is equal to u is 0. Acceleration due to gravity, that is 10 meter per second square, into 1 second, time 1 second. This second in numerator and this second square in denominator, one of the seconds is cancelled and these are cancelled. Then we will get the final velocity will be 10 meter per second. Final velocity is 10 meters per second. According to the Newton's second equation of motion, the equation is like this: s is equal to ut plus 1/2 gt square. A is replaced by g. Now s is equal to ut is equal to 0 because initial velocity is 0, plus 1/2 gt square, that means 10 meter per second square into 1 second raised to 2. Therefore this 10 divided by 2 means 5 meter per second square into second square. This second square in numerator and second square in denominator will both cancel by each other, and therefore we will get the value s is equal to 5 meters. This means the height of the object or the table which is falling from the table is 5 meters. Thank you.